Prime Minister Narendra Modi today virtually inaugurated the Saffron Aircraft Engine Service India, that is SAEI facility in Hyderabad, Telangana. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that India is among the world's fastest growing domestic aviation market. He said India welcomes investment and innovation, and the production-linked incentive, that is PLI scheme, have attracted global companies to choose India as their destination. The Prime Minister said that India views those who invest in the country not merely as investors but also as co-creators. He added that the government regards them as stakeholders in the pursuit of a Viksit Bharat. Prime Minister Modi added that to encourage global investment and industries, the government has undertaken some of the most transformative reforms in the history. Mr. Modi said that the SAESI facility is a significant step forward in building a self-resilient and self-reliant India. He stated that starting today, India's aviation industry is prepared to embark on a new journey. He highlighted that this new facility established by Saffron will contribute to positioning India as a global maintenance, repair and overhaul MRO hub. Additionally, this MRO is also expected to be very useful for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy and play a key role in achieving self-reliance in this sector. Speaking on the occasion, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy urged the Prime Minister to declare Hyderabad-Bengaluru as Defence and Aerospace Corridor. Bureau Report News Now.